What's up, y'all? It's Jasmine Jazzy B, looking like a wild child. But if you guys are interested in how I install my 18-inch clip-ins and curl them, these clip-ins are 18-inch Yaki clip-ins from Amazon, and I will be installing them and curling them. If you want to see how I do this, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to get straight up into this video. So I purchased these clip-ins from Amazon. They're 18 inches. I purchased one pack and it's 7 pieces, and I dyed it jet black, so it comes in natural black. I dyed it jet black so it can blend in with my hair color. And I am going to straighten my hair, but I will not be straightening these. I just let this air dry, and I'm just going to be literally adding it into my hair and curling it. So keep watching. All right guys, I'm about to go straighten my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so my hair is now straightened, all straight. And I'm going to now get ready to add my Yaki clip-ins. So right here, I'm just parting my hair and I'm getting ready to install my first clip-in into my hair. But as you can see, it's really simple to just clip it into your hair. You just clip it in, okay? You part it and clip it in, and basically you can add the clip-ins wherever you want to add them into your hair. So I'm continuing parting my hair and just clipping the clip-ins into my hair and combing it to blend it in with my natural hair. In this clip right here, I was like, yes, I look like a diva. So right here, I'm just parting my bang and kind of like moving it out the way so that I can add the rest of my clip-ins in. And make sure you're adding clip-ins into the front. Don't put all your clip-ins in the back. Make sure you save some clip-ins for the sides and for the front of your hair. And I will advise you to get 2 packs if you want your hair to be more full. I only used 1 pack and I ended up using my other pack of Yaki clip-ins that is in a 14-inch from the same company to add a little bit more fullness, because it wasn't as full as I wanted it with the 1 pack. And I only added like 2 tracks from my 14-inch pack of clip-ins. And right here, I'm just taking the pack of 14-inch clip-ins that I have, and I only took like 2 tracks from there, and I'm just trying to find some empty spaces to fill the gaps and to make it more full. Doing the baby hairs. Now I'm about to curl my hair, so I literally just take the flat iron and I twist it around, and then I just pull the flat iron down slowly to make sure the heat is on every single strand, and ta-da, you have a curl. And I keep on doing the same thing. Right here, I'm curling my bang because this is the most important part. Curling my bang, and then I'm gonna pin it up with a bobby pin so that, you know, it can be nice and defined and voluptuous at the end of this video, okay? So I'm just taking sections and continuing on curling my whole entire head with my flat iron. And I'm just using the method of taking the flat iron, twisting it around, and then pulling it all the way down. And if you guys have not seen my other video with my Yaki clip-ins, I have 14-inch Yaki clip-ins in my other video. Make sure you check it out. I will put it in the description below. And I did a similar hairstyle with shorter clip-ins, so make sure you check that video out as well. And I'm just curling, and the curls do not have to be perfect. They, you know, just have to be curled. It doesn't have to all look the same, because we're going to kind of fluff it out at the end and kind of play with it and tease it. So the curls do not have to be perfect. Okay, so check out the curls. They looking real curlish. I'm about to take the front out and, you know, play with it, push it back and tease it, and, you know, get it all to kind of like lay how I want it to lay. And yeah, I'm just playing with it and kind of going through my hair with a flat iron and recurling any pieces that are not curled properly. So yeah, I'm just going through my hair and making sure everything is how I want it to be. And I'm like obsessed with like the 70s, the 80s, the 90s, like, you know, hairstyles and curls. I love like the natural looking, like, you know, curls I used to wear back in the day. And that's really the look I be trying to go for, and I really be trying, and, you know, trying to get that little back in the day hairstyle. Alright guys, so I'm going to play with this hair more, but this is the finishing look. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, please. And if you are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at __ me Jazzy, okay? It will be in the description below. Follow me. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful week. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Take care.